my mailbox minute. We're going to open up some soap supplies and see what I got. So that's what this is all about. Alrighty, so we're getting some mold. There's some grapes. And some pineapples. And some asparagus. And some cherries. These are so tiny. These are going to be so finicky. I think these are raspberries. Yeah, they're raspberries and strawberries, or maybe just raspberries or boysenberries. There's the strawberries. Sweet peas. Aubergine or eggplant. And pumpkins. It's the fall and it's harvest season, so I'm going to have fun with some of these in my designs. We'll see you all next time. Look for these in the soap. So take care. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.